If you somehow travel by public transport, trains, this train station is a central gate to Bukovel resort. So you can take some taxi from Bukovel, or also there is a direct bus. At the end of the video you will see it, and it can deliver you directly to this train station and back. The schedule of this minibus you can find on the website Bukovel.com, and the website of a resort. This train station is small, but there are a lot of trains to the different cities of Ukraine: Lviv, Kiev, Odessa, Kharkiv, and other ones. There is a waiting room, toilet, no any cafes to regret. This is a schedule if you want, but be careful because the schedule is changed very often. For example, when I arrived to this train station from Kiev, and I turned out that our train arrived 15 minutes after this minibus departed to Bukovel, and next bus was after 1.5 hours. And I had to use service of local taxi drivers. There are a lot of them, private cars I mean, but their prices, you can imagine, very expensive, like in big train stations, airports, and so on. And I especially did some video of toilet. It's very clean, because in such small stations usually toilets are very dirty. Yeah, this is 525 number bus from this train station to Bukovel, but you need to check departure and arrival time of these minibuses on Bukovel website. Yeah, so I think this information will be helpful for you.